Well, definitely it's a magazine which updates with what's happening everywhere, and I'm a person who doesn't read much of magazine, but if I have to pick up something always when I go to the airport, then that's one magazine I would always pick up. It keeps me updated with the entertainment industry very well, for sure.
Any particular magazine you read every day or something?
Frankly, I'm not much into reading, but if keeping my profession in mind, I'll always pick up an entertainment magazine for sure. Upcoming project, I'm the face of a brand, so I can't disclose it right now. The moment it happens in month of I'm able to speak about it, and my fashion weeks are on, and I'm also for Miss India and Miss Diva, so I'm in charge for the delegates who are going to be representing India very soon. So that's keeping me busy, and there's something else which is lined up, but once everything's on track, then I can talk about it. Thank you. Good evening. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm the editor of Hello Magazine. So Hello Magazine आज इंडिया की सबसे टॉप और प्रीमियम लाइफस्टाइल मैगजीन है जहाँ पर हम सेलिब्रिटीज़ और लाइफस्टाइल्स कवर करते हैं. हम सिर्फ बॉलीवुड ही नहीं, सारे इंडिया में टॉप सेलिब्रिटीज़ और इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट्स को हमने कवर किया है. एंड बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया ग्रुप, वी आर India's #1 magazine today. I feel very proud because today I have launched the magazine, so I've seen it grow from where it was 10 years ago to where it is today, and it's the only way to go. So from just being a magazine, today we are expanding into launching a coffee table book, which is Hello Strength. Jewelry is Hello Strengths. We've always been showing beautiful jewels from across the world. So today we put it all together in a beautiful coffee table book. हम सिर्फ बॉलीवुड ही नहीं हैं, हमारी सेलिब्रिटीज़ बॉलीवुड से हटकर भी हैं, और जिस तरह के सेलिब्रिटीज़ फ्रॉम अंबानीज टू बिरलास टू गोदरेज हम कवर करते हैं, आज तक किसी और मैगजीन ने नहीं किया. इन सब सेलिब्रिटीज़ को हम वी हैव एक्सेस टू ऑल दिस सेलिब्रिटीज़ एंड वी आर वेरी प्राउड. और हेलो ही एक ऐसी मैगजीन है जो रॉयल्टी को कवर करती है, और एवरी रॉयल फैमिली इन इंडिया हैज़ ऑलरेडी बीन कवर्ड बाय हेलो मैगजीन. दिस इज द जी. आप समझ सकते हैं कि डीलिंग विद सेलिब्रिटीज इज नॉट ईजी. When you deal with a celebrity, you're dealing with a lot of ego hassles along with it. You're dealing with a lot of issues. So keeping all that in mind, it has been a delicate journey. We've had to tread very carefully. We launched with the Liz Hurley की wedding अरुण नायर के साथ जब हुई थी, वो हमें एक्सक्लूसिव मिला था, वर्ल्ड एक्सक्लूसिव. तो उसके साथ हमने मैगजीन लॉन्च की थी. इट वॉजंट ईजी बिकॉज इंडिया में ऐसे कभी कुछ हुआ ही नहीं था कि सेलिब्रिटी प्योर मैगजीन होती. अभी तक सिर्फ फिल्म मैगजीन्स थी या फैशन मैगजीन्स थी या विमेंस मैगजीन थी. तो बहुत डेलिकेटली हमें अभी तक हमारी जर्नी, अब तो ऑफकोर्स वी आर वन ऑफ द एस्टैब्लिश्ड मैगजीन, पर हमें मालूम नहीं था कि हाउ टू हैंडल द ईगो, हाउ टू हैंडल एंड celebrity. So that has been challenging. There were times when a celebrity did get upset on the way we covered it, but we learned our lessons from it. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Ma'am, from right side. Both of you, ma'am. Excuse me. Ma'am, over here. Sir, आगे discuss. Ma'am, you're right. Ma'am, right corner. Ma'am, your right side. Farah, ma'am, right side, ma'am. One more right, ma'am. Farah, ma'am. हैंडी ले लो यार, हैंडी ले लो यार, हैंडी ले लो, हैंडी कर लो, हैंडी कर लो। थोड़ा आगे बढ़ो बाबा। मैम यार राइट इधर, मैम राइट इधर। ए भाई सॉरी देख तू है ना, देखता है ना ये मैं तेरे को, दूसरा कोई होता तो फोड़ डालता तू। गुस्सा मालूम है ना मेरा तेरे को।
Very cool from Very Cool Watches, and I feel really immense pleasure and proud to be here today.
Well, I'm very excited because I mean I'm a girl and I love jewelry, and I think Indian jewelry has its own charm. I think no matter people talk about Italian designs and about French designs, but with Indian there's a certain uniqueness which you have, and I think this is a great event to be, especially being a girl, and we all love jewelry, so yeah, I'm super excited.
Very cool. Thank you.
Actually, no, I would share one thing. The first jewelry that I bought for myself was with my first paycheck, and it was this little diamond pendant, 2-carat diamond. And yeah, that is my only piece of jewelry that I bought for myself. It's very special because it was my first. So yeah. I think आपको बहुत मजा आएगा क्योंकि इस रात का टीजर ऐसा है कि कुछ रिवील ना करते हुए भी रिवील कर रहा है. So I think that's the idea. लोग चाहते नहीं है कि लोगों को समझ आए अभी कि क्या exactly हो रहा है. बस थोड़ी सी आपकी curiosity I think वो चाह रहे हैं कि बढ़ाएं. And yeah, so basically secrets are not good, and secrets destroy relationships. That's the basic concept of trust. Thank you.
I look to be? Where do you want my look to be? In the center? Okay, go ahead. Thank you. I can't hear you. जी. I'm very fond of jewelry and I would like to wish Hello Magazine all the very best for their launch of the coffee table book जो launch कर रहे हैं आज. और I think it's a very good idea because all women or men, I mean men like jewelry on women, I'm sure. I mean women love it. Obviously, diamonds are a girl's best friend. So I think it's a good idea. Well, I do like neck pieces, but very rarely. When I have a very open neck, then I like to have a nice neck piece. But when I have a high neck, like I'm wearing today, I don't usually like a neck piece. I like big chunky earrings. But today there's a lot of gold on my dress, so I'm wearing gold earrings and not diamond earrings. No, I gifted myself this solitaire. And I think it was from my first big chunk earning that I ever got, and that is very special to me. Upcoming project, well, there's one short film which I recently finished producing and directing called Mumbai Varanasi Express, and that is ready for release for the festivals. So that's what's been keeping me busy for the last whole year. Thank you. जी. मैं ज्वेलरी को एक्चुअली काफ़ी पसंद करती हूँ. आई लव रिंग्स, ईयररिंग्स एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट. एंड मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ कि मैं आज यहाँ हूँ एंड दैट दे गेटिंग दिस ऑनर टुडे because jewelry is something that everybody doesn't really like. We all wear it to accessorize, but sometimes everyone is focused on their outfit and maybe not the jewelry and accessories. So it's very good that they're doing this. And Hello Magazine is such a well-known, such a prestigious magazine, and I'm glad that they're doing this. Memorable jewelry, I think my nani gave me these diamond studs couple of years ago, so I think that's the most memorable jewelry that I have, and every time I wear them I think of nani. So yeah, so that's एक्चुअली ट्रैवल करते समय या मैं किसी के लिए वेट कर रही हूँ किसी मीटिंग के पहले there's time, then I read magazine, but I'm not a very huge, I love books, I read a lot. Magazines are more like, when you're on a flight or like sitting in the airport or before meetings, I read magazines mostly at that time. जी. No, I love jewelry, but again simple and understated jewelry. Like if I'm wearing it depends on what I'm wearing also. Like if अगर मैं कुछ Indian पहन रही हूँ तो then I'll definitely wear like झुमकास और ये सब कुछ. I love all desi, like चूड़ियाँ and all desi jewelry I love. But apart from that, like normally when I wear Western clothes, I always keep it simple. Like always just earrings and rings, something like light and simple. If I want to share, I'm doing 2 films actually, but both my producers will make the formal announcement. Thank you. Thank you.
जी. मैंने अपनी बहन को किया. एक कड़ा टाइप का कुछ था, ज़्यादा मुझे नॉलेज नहीं है, तो आई टुक अ फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन ज्वाला इन हैदराबाद. आई टुक हर टू द शॉप एंड उन्होंने मेरी हेल्प करी. ज्वेलरी अपने आप में इट्स डिफरेंट बॉल गेम ऑल टुगेदर. बहुत सारा एफर्ट इसके अंदर जाता है. हम लोगों को देख के शायद इतना लगता नहीं होगा, but there are people who really put in a lot of hard work in it, and it's amazing. Hello Magazine उन लोगों को acknowledge कर रहे हैं और उन लोगों को felicitate कर रहे हैं, so I'm very happy this is happening. जी नहीं, मैं बिल्कुल गिफ्ट्स में मैं बिलीव नहीं करता, ना मैं लेने में बिलीव करता हूँ गिफ्ट, ना ही मैं पता नहीं किसी को देता भी नहीं ज़्यादा गिफ्ट, लेकिन डेफिनेटली और मेक्स मी हैप्पी, मेरी जीप देख के मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है. मुझे लगता है मेरी ज्वेलरी मेरी जीप है. लड़कों के लिए अपनी बाइक अपनी जीप काफ़ी ज़्यादा एक ज्वेलरी की तरह होती है, और लेडीज़ के लिए आई गेस ज्वेलरी उतना ही मायने रखती होगी. तो मुझे तो मेरी जीप देख के और उसमें बैठ के और उसमें लॉन्ग ड्राइव पे जाके बहुत खुशी हुई. विकी कौशल, हाँ बिल्कुल. विजॉय सर डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं, विकी कौशल और मैं एक साथ काम करने वाले हैं. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ इस बात से, क्योंकि श्याम कौशल जी का मैं बहुत बड़ा फ़ैन हूँ, और वो उन्होंने पता नहीं मतलब ही अपने आप में वो इंडस्ट्री है, और एक इतने बड़े आदमी से मुझे मिलने को मिलेगा. आई एम श्योर सेट पे मैं जाऊँगा तो आई होप विकी मुझे मिलवाएंगे, और विकी के काम का मैं बहुत बड़ा फ़ैन हूँ. सो एक फादर एंड सन, बोथ ऑफ देम आर डूइंग सच अमेजिंग वर्क. एक जो देख के कनेक्ट होता है वो मुझे विकी को देख के, अभी हम लोग मिले नहीं हैं हालांकि, पर उनका काम देख के और उनको देख के और उनको इवेंट्स पे देख के मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है, और लगता है कि कोई बहुत सिंसियर और कोई बहुत प्यारा सा काम कर रहा है. एंड रमन राघव जो उनकी फिल्म आ रही है, अमेजिंग ट्रेलर. वो तो अनुराग सर को क्रेडिट जाता है, बट विकी इज़ लुकिंग आउटस्टैंडिंग. नवाज सर तो हमेशा माइंड ब्लोइंग लगते हैं. आई एम वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड. एक्चुअली मुझे ब्लड रश हो रहा है टू वर्क विद विकी. थैंक यू.
Hi, my name is Priya Bajpayee, and my film Lal Rang just got released on 22nd of April. And Hello Magazine के बारे में बहुत पहले से ये मैगजीन पढ़ती हूँ मैं. पढ़ती हुई आ रही हूँ, मुझे पता है इस मैगजीन के बारे में. And this award today about the jewelry and all, which is I would say a very good stuff. And I'm so happy to be here. I'm so happy to be part of it. और आजकल हर कोई ज्वेलरी पहनता है, गर्ल्स हो गाइज हो, एवरीबडी, एंड ज्वेलरी इज समथिंग विच enhance your personality. So I think the people should do more often regarding the jewelry stuff. They should appreciate whatever is happening nowadays. No, because I think the kind of costume I'm wearing, so not the much jewelry will go with this. Yes, I have done a film called Mirza Juliet, and my hero is Darshan Kumar, who's done Mary Kom and Anishan and doing Sarabjit as well. So this is coming in August. I think date is not decided, but the first week of August. Thank you so much.
आई थिंक सबको ज्वेलरी बहुत अच्छी लगती है और मुझे भी अच्छी लगती है. इट्स प्रेशियस, इट्स टाइमलेस, इट्स ब्यूटीफुल एंड इट मेक्स यू फील स्पेशल. सो व्हाट्स नॉट टू लव अबाउट ज्वेलरी? और आई थिंक इंडियन ज्वेलर्स फॉर एवर have made the most exquisite jewelry. People from all over the world have wanted Indian jewelry because the craftsmanship is just amazing, and the way the stones are set and etc. So I think that it's really important to celebrate jewelry, indigenous jewelry.
Hi. How are you? Good. See, oh. How do you do this?
Thank you. I'm wearing Hema Kaul. मेमोरेबल ज्वेलरी मुझे एक्चुअली पुरानी ज्वेलरी बहुत पसंद है और स्पेशली हेirloom ज्वेलरी और माय नाना गिव मी अ नेकलेस व्हेन आई टर्न 13. It belonged to his mother, so my great grandmother, and so that was given to me when I became a teenager, and it's a very, very old piece of jewelry. I'm sure it belonged to her mother, I don't know. So I did actually recently. I gave my mum except my mum. Yeah, I in fact just gave my guru, my dance guru, some jewelry. It was a special birthday and I just gave her some. No, I love jewelry, but I think jewelry has to be worn according to what you are wearing and not for the sake of wearing it. And I think sometimes the smallest pieces make the biggest impact. Big things come in small packages. Right? Yeah. I'm starting Manisha's film, which I'm very, very excited about. It's been my dream to work with him, and I am. So I feel very blessed and very privileged to be doing it.
Fat one. No, I'm the fat one. I should be hugging. Hide behind you.
Oh, yeah,
Thank you.
Yeah, I saw. It was nice. ये एक्चुअली ज़ोहरा मुगल की डिज़ाइन है और ये ज्वेलरी है इंडो वेस्टर्न. सो आई थॉट आई विल कैरी ए डिफरेंट लुक टुडे. आई ट्राई टू वेयर ए टेनिस प्लेयर्स लुक टुडे. सो आई होप यू लाइक इट. This is my sister's design, Zohra Mughal's design. It's a nice, wonderful magazine, and I mean it's a prestigious magazine, so it's my pleasure to be here today. My film Tera Kya Hoga Lambodar is coming very soon. So that's all right now. I have few projects online, but let's see as soon it completes. Thank you.
किधर मेरे बीच में डाल रहा ये रे ना यार उसके वजह से मेरा इधर देखा ही नहीं. लुक या प्लीज. बराबर परफेक्ट. धन्यवाद. Yes, look here. थोड़ा सा अरे ये मेरे क्रीम में मैं वन पे की जगह पे ले रहा हूँ वीडियो. उसको आगे देगा तो मैं नहीं आएगा भाई. मैं धूप में उसमें आते हैं जो एक बैठ मेरा बन रहा है.
It's really pretty dress. It's inspired of Marilyn Monroe. So yeah, I'm really happy. I look great. I feel I look great, and I'm happy to be here for this Hello Magazine Awards.
Yeah, what do you want to say about Hello Magazine? How much you have like
Yeah, I like the magazine a lot. It's very interesting. And then where should I look? Where this? Acha, okay. Yeah, I really love the magazine. It's really nice. And yeah. Right now I'm coming back after 2 years, so I'm really excited. I'm starting to go for meetings, and I've started to do a lot of shows, events. So right now I'm just into talks, and soon you will see. Thank you.
Thank you. This is by Nitin Singh, very good designer, and Anasha Thakkar. So this is by Bow Square. This is all because of my mom. मेरी मम्मी की वजह से she makes me wear this. तो यहाँ मेरी mom तो बड़ा like करती हैं, and at the same my sisters, and I love it. In my family, jewelry is must. It's a very good thing, yeah. But I love to be here and just looking forward to the show. That's it. या मैं तो बहुत पसंद करता हूँ मैगजीन में. फ्लाइट में भी होता तो मैगजीन ही पढ़ता रहता हूँ, and you get to know many much things about magazines, and you get to know the latest fashion. So yeah, that's what I can say about it. हाँ है, तो थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा, आ जाएंगे. प्यार का पंचनामा 3 की बात कर. अगर सुनने में आया तो आपको आया होगा, बट अब तक तो मुझे कुछ आइडिया नहीं है, बट यार जल्दी कुछ सुनने में आए. सो होपफुली लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. आई एम ओनली कंसर्न्ड अबाउट द कंटेंट, कि कंटेंट अच्छा हो, और आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर दैट, एंड देयर आर थिंग्स व्हिच आर हैपनिंग. सो सून यू विल गेट टू नो समथिंग गुड. थैंक यू सो मच. Pleasure to be here. Thank you.
Daisy. जीतू क्या कर रहा है? कहाँ उनके फ्रेम में आएगा क्या? One sec. One side.
मैगजीन विमेन को बहुत पसंद है पढ़ना, ज्वेलरी विमेन को बहुत पसंद है, सो इट्स अ विन विन सिचुएशन. मैगजीन, ज्वेलरी, एंड दे बोथ आर कमिंग टुगेदर, सो आई थिंक इट्स डबल फन फॉर लेडीज. मैं पर्सनली आई एम नॉट अ ज्वेलरी फीक, क्योंकि शूटिंग के लिए हमें अगर ज्वेलरीज पहनते हैं तो हमको निकालना पड़ता है. तो मैंने उसी वजह से बहुत सारी ज्वेलरीज खोई है. आई हैव लॉस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ ज्वेलरीज जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट, सो आई स्टॉप्ड वेयरिंग ज्वेलरीज. हाँ, मेरी दादी ने मुझे एक चेन दी थी जो कि आज से 20 साल पहले, तो अभी तक मैंने संभाल के रखी. To be honest, I am not in a state to talk about it right now. I'm just waiting for the things to get finalized. But if that thing happens, then I'm sure we'll meet again and again.
Any particular genre you are looking for?
For
magazine cover.
No, genre तो नहीं. I mean, as far as the script is interesting, as far as the character is interesting, I don't mind paying for it. Any magazine cover? Mr. Jitesh Pillai, I think you are hearing him. Please listen to him. Camera घुमाओ उनकी तरफ.
You want to interviews?
Yeah.
Oh well, it depends. Okay, when you're asking about the poses, so it actually depends on the sort of a dress you're wearing. I'm wearing a very very beautiful off-shoulder princess black gown by Swapnil Shinde. I've been styled by him, and I'm wearing my jewels are by Mahesh Notan Das. So I'm really very happy, and it actually depends on the structure of a particular gown, and yeah, so that's why. There's no, I mean, there's no reason behind it. I mean, it's like, I don't know, maybe because I'm a beauty queen, maybe that's why. I'm a Miss Universe India, maybe that's why. Well, I'm extremely very proud of Hello Magazine. First and foremost because it has hosted such a beautiful evening which is totally dedicated to jewels, and the name of the evening is Iconic Jewels of the Time. So I'm really very proud of Hello. And yeah, jewels have I mean that most priority when it comes to women's life. And a mom, she loves jewelry, and I gift her jewelry all the time. I mean, be it in any of maybe her birthdays or anniversary. So I just gift jewels to my parents all the time. So I think, yeah, it holds a lot of importance. Well, I have a lot of bracelets, and my mom, she loves diamond bracelets. So yeah, I'm wearing, yeah, I mean these are my own choice. I love my earrings. My earrings are by Mahesh Notan Das, and they are also winning tonight. So that's makes it even more special. Well, yeah, I'm really very happy to announce that Graveyard Masti is releasing this 22nd July. So it's my most meatiest character ever. I play a solo hero opposite 3 guys. So yeah, I mean, it's very, very exciting for me. See, modeling and acting is completely different. I completely enjoy as an actor, because I feel Urvashi Rautela is more like as an actor. So yeah, I enjoy acting more than modeling. But yeah, I've enjoyed modeling as well. So thanks to it. At the first moment I said no for GGM, but later on I realized, and then they made the role according to me. There was a lot of changes in terms of script and every single thing. So yeah, I was really happy after they made a lot of alterations, a lot of changes according to me in the script. So yeah, then I got on board. entire location and the entire shooting was absolutely, I mean, amazing. So there was no such incident.